Well, here is my apartment. That is the front door. There is the bathroom. There's Cleo roaming around trying to figure out what to get into. Washer and dryer is in this door. As you can see. Kitchen area is right over here. Stainless steel appliances. There's a center island and a table with my bag on it. It's the living room area. See, I have a remote fireplace, flat screen TV. Going in here is the bedroom. So there's the bed. And my closet is right there. Then I have the dresser with another flat screen TV and dresser drawers. And my ironing board, which I just moved. So, nice and cozy, small, but good enough for me. So I just want to let you know everything was cool. I'm about to go to the grocery store so I can get me some food and get settled in. So, I love you, babe. I'll see you later. Bye.